people to experience a range of signs and symptoms of gastrointestinal disorders and suffer for years without a proper diagnosis. Gastrointestinal disorders affect the digestive tract starting from the mouth to the anus and can be mildly inconvenient, chronic, or even life-threatening. Structural gastrointestinal diseases are those where your bowel looks abnormal upon examination and also doesn't work properly. Sometimes, the structural abnormality needs to be removed surgically. Common examples of structural GI diseases include acid reflux, bloating, upset stomach, constipation, irritable bowel syndrome, hemorrhoids, anal fissures, perianal abscesses, anal fistula, diverticulosis, colorectal cancer, and colitis. Constipation makes it hard for you to have a bowel movement. The stools are infrequent or incomplete. Constipation is usually caused by inadequate roughage or fiber in your diet, or a disruption of your regular routine or diet. You can treat your constipation by 1. Increasing the amount of fiber and water to your diet. 2. Exercising regularly and increasing the intensity of your exercises, as tolerated. 3. Moving your bowels when you have the urge. Resisting the urge causes constipation. If these treatment methods don't work, the most common treatment is laxatives. American Herbal Laboratories Incorporated has successfully developed Lung Ease, Deconstipation, Immuni 5, which are made from 100% natural herbs. These premium herbal supplements support and promote optimal health of your GI when coping with constipation. Irritable bowel syndrome, also called spastic colon, irritable colon, IBS, or nervous stomach, is a functional condition where your colon muscle contracts more or less often than normal. Certain foods, medicines, and emotional stress are some factors that can trigger IBS. Symptoms of IBS include abdominal pain and cramps, excess gas, bloating, change in bowel habits such as harder, looser, or more urgent stools than normal, alternating constipation and diarrhea. Treatment includes avoiding excessive caffeine, increasing fiber in your diet, monitoring which foods trigger your IBS and avoiding these foods, minimizing stress or learning different ways to cope with stress, taking medicines as prescribed by your healthcare provider, avoiding dehydration and hydrating well throughout the day, getting high-quality rest. American Herbal Laboratories Incorporated has successfully developed Lung Ease, Immuni 2, Immune Cream, which are made from 100% natural herbs. These premium herbal supplements support and promote optimal health of your GI when coping with irritable bowel syndrome, hemorrhoids, or dilated veins in the anal canal, structural disease. They're swollen blood vessels that line your anal opening. They are caused by chronic excess pressure from straining during a bowel movement, persistent diarrhea, or pregnancy. There are two types of hemorrhoids, internal and external. Internal hemorrhoids develop inside the rectum, while external hemorrhoids develop around the anus. Treatment for internal hemorrhoids includes improving bowel habits, such as avoiding constipation, not straining during bowel movements, and moving your bowels when you have the urge. Your healthcare provider using ligating bands to eliminate the vessels. Your healthcare provider removing them surgically. Surgery is needed only for a small number of people with very large, painful, and persistent hemorrhoids. Treatment for external hemorrhoids includes removing the clot and vein under local anesthesia and/or removing the hemorrhoid itself. American Herbal Laboratories Incorporated has successfully developed interstitial, for bleed, Immuni 2, Nice Breath, Itch Herbal Cream, which are made from 100% natural herbs. These premium herbal supplements support and promote optimal health of your GI when coping with hemorrhoids. Anal fissures are also a structural disease. They are splits or cracks in the lining of your anal opening. The most common cause of an anal fissure is the passage of very hard or watery stools. The crack in the anal lining exposes the underlying muscles that control the passage of stool through the anus and out of the body. An anal fissure is one of the most painful problems because the exposed muscles become irritated from exposure to stool or air and leads to intense burning pain, bleeding, or spasm after bowel movements. Initial treatment for anal fissures includes pain medicine, dietary fiber to reduce the occurrence of large, bulky stools, and sitz baths, sitting in a few inches of warm water. If these treatments don't relieve your pain, surgery might be needed to repair the sphincter muscle. American Herbal Laboratories Incorporated has successfully developed Itch Herbal Cream, which is made from 100% natural herbs. This premium herbal cream supports and promotes optimal health of your GI when coping with anal fissures. Perianal abscesses, also a structural disease, can occur when the tiny anal glands that open on the inside of your anus become blocked, and the bacteria always present in these glands causes an infection. When pus develops, an abscess forms. Treatment includes draining the abscess, usually under local anesthesia, in the healthcare provider's office. American Herbal Laboratories Incorporated has successfully developed Immuni 2, for pain herbal cream, which is made from 100% natural herbs. These premium herbal supplements support and promote optimal health of your GI when coping with perianal abscesses. An anal fistula, a structural disease, often follows drainage of an abscess and is an abnormal tube-like passageway from the anal canal to a hole in the skin near the opening of your anus. Body wastes traveling through your anal canal are diverted through this tiny channel and out through the skin, causing itching and irritation. Fistulas also cause drainage, pain, and bleeding. They rarely heal by themselves and usually need surgery to drain the abscess and close off the fistula. American Herbal Laboratories Incorporated has successfully developed Itch Herbal Cream, which is made from 100% natural herbs. This premium herbal cream supports and promotes optimal health of your GI when coping with anal fistula. The structural disease diverticulosis is the presence of small outpouchings, diverticula, in the muscular wall of your large intestine that form in weakened areas of the bowel. They usually occur in the sigmoid colon, the high-pressure area of the lower large intestine. Complications of diverticular disease happen in about 10% of people without pouchings. They include infection or inflammation, diverticulitis, bleeding, and obstruction. Treatment of diverticulitis includes treating the constipation, and sometimes antibiotics if really severe. Surgery is needed as last resort in those who have significant complications to remove the involved diseased segment of the colon. American Herbal Laboratories Incorporated has successfully developed Immuni 2, lung ease, deconstipation, which are made from 100% natural herbs. These premium herbal supplements support and promote optimal health of your GI when coping with diverticulosis. Colorectal cancer is the second most common form of cancer in the United States. Fortunately, with advances in early detection and treatment, colorectal cancer is one of the most curable forms of the disease. By using a variety of screening tests, it is possible to prevent, detect, and treat the disease long before symptoms appear. American Herbal Laboratories Incorporated has successfully developed Immuni 2, Immuni 5, Immune Up, which are made from 100% natural herbs. These premium herbal supplements support and promote optimal health of your GI. When coping with colorectal cancer, there are several types of colitis, which are conditions that cause an inflammation of the bowel. These include infectious colitis, ulcerative colitis, Crohn's disease, ischemic colitis, and radiation colitis. Colitis causes diarrhea, rectal bleeding, abdominal cramps and urgency, frequent and immediate need to empty the bowels. Treatment depends on the diagnosis, which is made by colonoscopy and biopsy. American Herbal Laboratories Incorporated has successfully developed Immuni-2 interstitial lung ease, which are made from 100% natural herbs. These premium herbal supplements support and promote optimal health of your GI. When coping with colitis, Dr. Luke also highly recommends these protocols, with the use of Nu Vita's Nano Herbs Lights. It allows patients to achieve the results of acupuncture, without the use of needles. It enhances cell growth and rebalances the cell's DNA structure. Nano Herbs Lights' main functions include 700 conditions like slowing down the aging process, cosmetic improvement, scalp enhancement, pain management, meridian organ rebalance, immune system rebalance, and energy support for cancer patients. Nu Vita herbal supplements are made from 100% premium natural herbs, harvested in America and Asia. They are manufactured in our US FDA-registered facility in Los Angeles, California, since 1994. They are prepared according to Dr. Luke's proprietary methods that have been developed over 40 years of clinical research, using both traditional Chinese medicine and nanotechnology. Nu Vita promotes your health by restoring your body's physiological balance and harmony. It also improves your organ energy, slow down aging process, and zest for life. Within a short period of time, your revitalized state should become apparent, with marked improvement in your appearance, disposition, physical strength, and emotional well-being. Nu Vita, supporting your health with 100% premium natural herbal supplements.